Steve here, Shen RC, and I got the GPTOYS 1/12 scale MCGRUFF S 926 here, courtesy of GPTOYS, and we're gonna get inside and see what's in it. The MCGRUFF. Let's open her up. The links to purchase this are in my description in the video description below. Looks pretty good. Nice and green, really bright. Looks sweet. Let's take a closer look at it. Paint job's really nice on it. This is a cross-country type vehicle. It could go everywhere, on-road, off-road, you name it. Four-wheel drive, splash proof, has LED lighting. See what's in the bottom here. Here's the parts bag. It has the charger for the lithium-ion cells and a Phillips head screwdriver. Here's the instruction manual. It's really good. Shows everything. Looks like they did a real nice job on it. They got the parts list and all in the back. So if you need new parts when you break something. Let's take a look at the car once more. Take the body off. Controllers in here, fits inside when they ship it. Take a look at the radio, steering trim, high and low speed, has a steering reverse, feels pretty good. Takes 2 AA batteries. Feels pretty good, I like it. It's alright. Here's the chassis. Looks pretty good. Everything's laid out nice. A 390 motor with heatsink. LED lighting. The diffs feel really smooth on this one. Here's the bottom up close. Test it. Twist test. Feels pretty good, like it'll absorb impact. Suspension feels good. Here's the ESC unit. The batteries come out of the compartments like this. Snap this off and you take them right out. Lithium ion cells. Runs off 2 of these. There's one on the other side here. Same thing, just pops right out. They're pretty nice. What's good about it, it holds the batteries tight in the car. Here's the on and off switch. Suspension feels pretty good on it. A little bit nice travel. It's pretty good. Tires feel pretty soft. They have foams in them. They should work good on the street and off-road. We'll have to see when I test it out, but they feel pretty good. So this is really nice. The diffs feel awesome. The truck looks nice. I'll have to test it out. So we'll see you next time when the test comes when I run this sucker. Here's what it looks like with the clear plastic cover off the body. So guys, please sub and like. I appreciate the support, guys, and you'll see this next time in a test run video.